Warning lights on the dashboard, along with explanations and what to do if they appear. Part 3. 1. Brake fluid level warning light. This warning light indicates that the brake fluid level is low, which can reduce braking performance and increase stopping distance. It may also signal a possible brake system leak. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check the brake fluid level in the reservoir and top it up if necessary using the recommended type. 2. Inspect for leaks around the brake system, including under the car. 3. Do not drive if braking feels weak or spongy, as this could indicate a serious issue. 4. Visit a mechanic immediately if the light remains on after topping up the fluid. 2. Diesel particulate filter, DPF, warning light. This light appears in diesel vehicles when the diesel particulate filter, DPF, is clogged with soot. The DPF is responsible for reducing harmful emissions by trapping and burning off soot from the exhaust. If the filter becomes too full, it can affect engine performance and emissions. What to do if you see this light? 1. Drive at highway speeds, above 40 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour, for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This helps the DPF regenerate and burn off excess soot. 2. Avoid short trips. Frequent short drives don't allow the DPF to heat up enough for automatic regeneration. 3. If the light stays on or turns red, the filter may be severely blocked, requiring professional cleaning or replacement. Visit a mechanic immediately to prevent costly repairs. 3. Low traction warning light. This warning light appears when the vehicle detects low traction, usually due to slippery or uneven road surfaces. It indicates that the car's traction control system is actively working to prevent wheel spin. This commonly happens on wet, icy, or loose gravel roads. What to do if you see this light? 1. Reduce speed and drive cautiously, avoid sudden acceleration or braking. 2. Check road conditions. If it's raining, snowing, or the road is slippery, drive with extra care. 3. If the light stays on constantly, there may be an issue with the traction control system. Get it checked by a mechanic. 4. Turn off traction control, if necessary. In some situations, such as driving in deep snow or mud, turning off traction control can help regain control. 4. Hill descent control warning light. The hill descent control, HDC, warning light appears when the system is activated to help maintain a controlled speed while driving down steep slopes. If the light stays on or flashes unexpectedly, it may indicate a malfunction in the system. What to do if you see this light? 1. If the light is on and steady, it means HDC is actively engaged. This is normal when descending steep terrain. 2. If the light is flashing, the system may be struggling to maintain control due to extreme conditions. Reduce speed manually and use brakes carefully. 3. If the light stays on when not descending, there could be a system malfunction. Restart the car and check if the issue persists. If so, consult a mechanic. 5. Automatic start-stop warning light. This light appears when there is an issue with the vehicle's automatic start-stop system, which is designed to save fuel by shutting off the engine when the car is idle, example, at traffic lights. A warning may indicate a malfunction or that the system is temporarily unavailable due to certain conditions. What to do if you see this light? 1. If the light is on but not flashing, the system is temporarily disabled due to factors like a low battery, extreme temperatures, or high energy consumption. It should resume automatically when conditions improve. 2. If the light is flashing or stays on, there may be a fault in the system. Restart the car and see if the warning disappears. 3. If the system doesn't engage after restarting, consult a mechanic to diagnose and fix any underlying issues. 6. Transmission warning light. This light indicates a problem with the vehicle's transmission system, which could be due to overheating, low transmission fluid, or internal damage. It may also appear if the transmission control system detects abnormal shifting patterns. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check the transmission fluid level. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause overheating and poor performance. 2. Allow the car to cool down. If the light appears while driving, pull over and let the transmission cool before continuing. 3. Avoid aggressive driving. Stop-and-go traffic or heavy loads can worsen the issue. 4. Visit a mechanic. A professional should diagnose and repair the transmission problem to avoid costly damage. 7. Bonnet or hood open warning light. This light indicates that the bonnet or hood of your vehicle is not fully closed. Driving with an open bonnet can be dangerous as it may obstruct your view or cause damage. What to do if you see this light? 1. Safely pull over and park your vehicle. 2. Check that the bonnet is properly latched. 3. If the light remains on after securing the bonnet, there may be a faulty sensor or latch that needs inspection. 4. Visit a mechanic if the issue persists. 8. Cruise control warning. This light indicates a problem with the cruise control system. It may appear if the system is malfunctioning, failing to engage, or has been disabled due to other vehicle issues. What to do if you see this light? 1. Try turning cruise control off and on again to see if the light disappears. 2. Check if other warning lights, such as ABS or engine check lights, are also on, as they can affect cruise control operation. 3. If the light remains on, visit a mechanic to diagnose and repair the issue. 9. Convertible roof warning light. This warning light appears when there is an issue with the convertible roof system. It may indicate that the roof is not fully opened or closed, there is a malfunction in the mechanism, or the system requires maintenance. What to do if you see this light? 1. Ensure the roof is fully closed or opened. Stop the car and try operating the roof again. 2. Check for obstructions that may be preventing the roof from moving properly. 3. Inspect the hydraulic fluid level, if applicable, in the convertible roof system. 4. Restart the vehicle to see if the warning light resets. 5. If the light persists, visit a mechanic to diagnose and fix any electrical or mechanical faults. 10. Oil level warning light. A yellow oil level warning light indicates a low engine oil level. The oil level should be checked as soon as possible. Most likely due to an oil leak, running the engine with low oil can cause serious damage. What to do if you see this light? 1. Stop the car when it is safe to do so and turn off the engine. 2. Check the engine oil level using the dipstick. 3. If the oil level is low, top it up with the correct type of engine oil. 4. If the light remains on even after adding oil, visit a mechanic to check for leaks or other engine issues.